Greetings, it's Maxo Diddly here, and today I am going to be showing you how you can resize a layer of pixel art in Paint.net without blurring the pixel art. Let's get right into it. So firstly, we need to make sure we have our layers window open and our tools window open. We have one layer for the background and one layer for our pixel art of Mario. So make sure you have the layer with the pixel art you want to resize selected. And we need to click on the rectangle select tool. Then we're going to zoom in a little bit and then reposition our Paint.net so we can see what we want to resize. We're then going to drag a box around Mario. We're going to go up to edit and click on copy. Then we can go on to edit, click paste into new image. We're then going to zoom in on Mario. We're then going to go to image, resize, make sure your resampling is set to nearest neighbour, and we can do by a percent or by an absolute size. We'll do by percent and do 200%. We're then going to click OK. We're going to zoom out a little bit. We're then going to drag a box around Mario. We're then going to go up to edit and copy. We're going to go back to our original image. We're going to then delete the old Mario. Then we're going to go up to edit and go to paste. And we're going to move our Mario to where we want him to be. I want him to go here, still underneath the block. Then we're going to zoom out a little bit, and voila! We have got a resized Mario, and he's not blurred, and he's still in his same layer. So thanks for being a great audience, be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more tutorials.